Hey, I'm Carly, and I will be your host for this week's New and Now. When I'm not taking over New and Now, I'm also the host of the Big Fun Crafty Show, brand new, only on Universal Kids. It is the first ever arts and crafts reality competition show for kids. It is amazing, there is so much glitter and so many googly eyes. And here's the best part. You can now watch the latest episodes of the Big Fun Crafty Show on Craftsy Unlimited. The Big Fun Crafty Show is just a taste of all of the amazing content available for you and your family on Craftsy Unlimited. This week, you have to watch the new show that teaches you how to make your own comic books. I am a huge comic book fan, so I love this. From learning how to design characters to formatting pages with word balloons, John Chad will give you the confidence you need to tell your own stories. And no special art skills are required. You can do this. Oh, here's one of my personal favorites for the whole family to watch. If you haven't seen Joshua John Russell's Man About Cake series, you are missing out. From a Shocktopus cake to a Pop-Tarts cake, Joshua will amaze you with his custom cakes created right before your very eyes. Well, that is a wrap, folks. I had so much fun taking over New and Now, and who knows, maybe they'll have me back. In the meantime, be sure to check out the Big Fun Crafty Show on Universal Kids and all of the other amazing classes and shows here on Craftsy Unlimited. Yeah! There is no end to what you can create, and I guarantee you will have some fun along the way.